This iScaf training video explains how you can control the color of different objects on your screen. Make sure you have the layer properties icon switched on. In order to do this, you need to right-click just underneath where you have your drawing file name or an empty space on this bar. Just underneath your drawing file name and also underneath this tab. Go to the iScaf menu and make sure that your layers option is turned on. In a similar way, if you click over here, you can also control the same set of menu options. Notice that the layer option is now there and available, and usually you have a plan layer as a default layer. Just to the left of that is an icon, and that is the Layers Property Manager. This shows all layers in the iScaf system. We can just drag that to make it a bit bigger. This allows you to control the colors of the different object types in the iScaf system. For example, the base sizes are shown here in order with the largest size at the top with the lowest number suffix. So bay 0 is the largest bay size, and in this case with the ring lock style system. Bay 12 is the smallest bay size. We can change the color of the largest bay size, and we can change that to white, and we can also change the bay size of the next size. Click OK there, and then we can change the next bay 2 size to be colored dark blue. Let us now change bay 1 to another color. This time let us make this the aqua color. And accept that by clicking OK. There is also the rosette or ring color, so let's actually exit out of this and just zoom in to have a look at what we've achieved so far. We have changed the 2.13 bay to be blue, and also the 3 meter bay is now white. The other example was the yellow rosette. Zoom in here so that we can see that color more clearly. Now let us go back to the layers and go to the option shown as the bay donut right here that's currently yellow. We can change that to also be blue if we wanted to, or any other color that we liked. Let us make it white. If we are happy with these colors, we can save them. The way to do this is that we would save the file as a template. Normally, you would want to save the template when you don't have scaffold or objects on the screen. So we can erase this entire drawing by clicking on the erase button and just erasing the entire drawing. Then we can go to iScaf, File, Save as, Template. We need to give this template a file name. So we will call this Metric Sheets. And let's put C there to represent C for colors. We have the option of removing unused layers, deleting unused blocks in this case. We may wish to save the settings and the module with the template. We should put a description in here, so I will put C there for colors. Click OK there, and we've saved that. So if we actually exit out of the drawing completely and we start a new drawing, we can actually specifically browse the templates and load up the new template that we just created. So for this new drawing, let's make a new scaffold wall. We see that our 3-meter bays are white. We can actually change one bay here, replace it with the second largest bay size, which was light blue. That is exactly the color shown here that we expected. If we exit this now and we start a new drawing again, this time with our regular metric sheets with our original colors, we can perform the same make wall again. Just like this, we can see that we have the default colors different to the colors from the other template. So let's change this bay size again to be the second largest bay size. We can see it is the yellow color which is expected. So that's how you can control the colors using layers and saving as a template in iScaf. Thank you for watching.